The coronavirus pandemic is changing life as we know it, and even when the outbreak is finally over, we will still feel its impact. KIMT News 3's Raquel Hellman joins us live in Rochester to explain. Raquel?
Yeah, Amy, I am in the heart of downtown Rochester, right by Mayo Clinic's Gonda building. Now, when I was setting up my equipment out here, I made sure to set up in a place that gives people plenty of room to stay the safe 6 feet away from me that we are expected to do with the new social distancing guidelines. Now, eventually, those stricter guidelines will likely be relaxed. But researchers say that this pandemic is going to impact our daily lives for years to come. And I'm going to have more on that in just a minute. But first, let's get you the very latest numbers from right here in Olmsted County. Now, there is only one new case today. That brings the total to 198. Now, you're probably thinking, one new case? That's great news, right? Well, it is, and it's definitely the direction we want to continue going. But public health officials do want to warn that it has only been one day of seeing this trend, so it's just far too early to tell if that trend is going to continue. Now, of the 198 cases, 127 of them are considered fully recovered, and the death toll is sitting at 4. Now, we are bringing you the very latest numbers every single day, but what do these numbers really mean for you? Well, Dr. Gregory Poland is a Mayo Clinic COVID-19 expert, and he says this pandemic is going to change our culture in the future, including wearing masks like this one.
I think we may very well become a culture that, at least in the wintertime when there are so many respiratory viruses circulating, that will be more like Asian cultures where they more readily wear masks when they're outdoors.
And he says he also believes that nursing homes, clinics, and hospitals, just like here at Mayo Clinic, will start to take more seriously the respiratory illnesses that circulate every year, including the flu. Live in Rochester, Raquel Hellman, KIMT News 3.
Very interesting. Thank you, Raquel. Dr. Poland also believes this pandemic will change the future of the healthcare industry and delivery of healthcare. We'll show you how it could change how you get your medical care tonight on KIMT News 3 at 6.
Well, a potentially huge loss for the ethanol industry, but maybe you can help.